So good that you have found this video. I'm Dr. Greg Crawford, and I'm inviting you to our Impact Conference. We are planning to impact your life that you'll never remain the same. In this conference, which will be a 3-day conference, we're going to invest into your life in a new way. The conference is totally free. It's online. It will be a Zoom-type conference, and there'll be no charge. It will be held in the evenings, in 3 evenings in a row, and each session will be approximately an hour long. And what we will cover in this conference is how your voice needs to be heard, how your life can leave an impact. We will talk to you about how you can position yourself, how you can find opportunities to have your voice heard, and also how your life can leave an impact, not just a mark, but literally an impact into the earth. Hopefully you can join us in the conference. Look for the dates. The dates will be posted here directly, and we hope to see you in the conference because we want you to impact the world with your life. God bless you.